Here we are at the design desk of ABKT, and we wanted to review today our ABKT Elite Protector Generation 2. That is ABO23H for orange and ABO23B for black. This 4.5-inch closed length everyday carry knife comes with a D2 blade that is stone washed. Our D2 has an HRC of 58 to 60. And the main design feature of this knife is the stoutness of this blade. It is 1.5 inches at its widest point, so it's a very wide and stout blade. The handle is G10 in blaze orange or in black, 3D contoured for good grip and control. The pivot system is ball bearing, so it's held in place with the ball bearing detent. You pull back on the flipper, and it'll flow all the way to open until the liner lock engages. So it's a ball bearing pivot system that will last a long time. The knife itself comes in blaze orange and black. You can pick it up at our website for $34.99, and this is a knife that will keep working when you want to quit. ABKT Protector Generation 2.